Echo, what's the weather in Cheyenne, Wyoming today?
Right now in Cheyenne, it's 0 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today's forecast has partly sunny weather with a high of 24 degrees and a low of 0 degrees.
Morning, welcome to Jack the Jeep. It's about 0 degrees outside, pretty cold. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on why I haven't been doing anything on the channel. I don't like to put things out that I don't think is worth watching. I don't think that me just sitting here talking to you guys is something that you guys just want to, hey, let's tune into Jack the Jeep and hear him gripe or hear him drive to work and just talk to nothing. But here I am. I'm going to do it anyway today, see how it works again. Maybe I'll start doing these vlogs if you guys like it. What's going on with the channel? So let's see here. I am actually in rebuild phase for my junk in the trunk. You may have seen my subwoofer rebuild. It actually went pretty well. It was pretty easy. It didn't take long at all. And my next step is I'm actually going to be putting in a subwoofer delete kit. It's going to replace my factory subwoofer box that's in the back. It's a plastic panel that goes on. After that, I'm going to be putting in, and I don't know where yet, but I'm going to be putting in somewhere in the back of my Jeep a ARB air compressor. I'm also going to be doing a Diabolic slipstream cover over the back of the Jeep. So a lot of different things I'm going to be doing to the back of the Jeep. It's my junk in the trunk remodel. The reason why is I do a lot of topless four-wheeling over the summer. I almost all summer, even if it rains or whatever, I keep my top off. And with that being said, I don't want anyone to steal any of my gear out of the back. And that Diabolic slipstream will help me do that. It'll help me secure it. I'm also looking into re-gearing my Jeep. I'm going to be purchasing some 488 gears, so be staying tuned for that one. I'm also saving up for, I'm going to be doing a full skid plate underneath. Now I have a Rubicon and it already has a skid plate. It's a factory skid plate, but what I'm going to actually go with is I'm going to do aluminum skid plates underneath. They're going to hang down a little bit lower than the factory. It's still not, it doesn't hinder my clearance at all. TNT Customs built them out of Cheyenne, Wyoming. And what I'm going to be doing is putting that on. I went and looked at Bob's TNT JK Unlimited, rolled up underneath it, looked at it. He does a lot of hardcore off-road wheeling, four-wheeling, rocks, a lot of crawling, stuff like that, that he's put that aluminum skid plate through, and it looks pretty good still. I mean, there's a couple little gouges in it, but it happens. So I am going with aluminum. The reason why is I don't like the weight. I don't want to have a ton of weight on my Jeep. Even though I'm going up to bigger gears for the tires, I'm staying with my 35s. I just want to keep that weight lower because, again, I have Line-X on my Jeep. I have metal armor on my Jeep. But I think the aluminum will be just fine. It works great for his. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers, a lot of other videos out there that people put aluminum on as well. So I also got my drone registered. My next part is the part 107 test. I'm going to be doing that before summer. That way when I go out four-wheeling, I don't have to worry about laws and regulations as much. And I can video and not worry about it at all. And then if I ever get monetized, I don't have to worry about any fines from the FAA. What else is going on with the Jeep? What's going on with the Jeep? It is cold out. We have a heat wave at 4 degrees. Oh, that's cool. So I keep having this check engine light come on my Jeep, and I know it's the ignition's light, but it went off today, so that's good. What I'm going to be working on is I've been contacting some other YouTubers and kind of seeing how they're putting their videos together. Trail Recon did a good video on kind of his approach to it. And as some of you know, a lot of times when I go four-wheeling, I have no one else with me. And I know that's probably not the most safest thing in the world, but unfortunately I don't have the privilege of having, when I go four-wheeling, it's all over the place. So I don't have the following yet to where people just go out and meet me, and sometimes I go four-wheeling Monday through Friday when everybody else is working. So with that being said, I'm still going to work on the quality of videos, the B-roll, the audio, a lot of different things that I'm working on. I'm trying to get it to where my GoPro has better sound quality. I do have the mic extension and a mic, but I tried to video earlier last week, I believe, and it didn't have any audio. It didn't record at all. So I don't know why. I don't know if the mic cord was too long and it didn't have enough power to kick it over. Again, I'm not sure, so I'm testing some things out. I don't like doing vlogs or anything with my phone because though the quality is good, everything's reversed and it looks like I'm driving a mail truck. So with that being said, I want to fix that so when I do it, I can actually start doing these little videos with my GoPro, have better stuff on there. I'm also, before I close out, I'm going to be doing my life kind of video on how I got into Jeeping, how I got into four-wheeling, also how I got into the idea of doing a YouTube channel. I'll be doing that probably within the next week, so please check that out. Again, I do apologize I haven't put a lot of content out. I've been trying to be selective and have more purpose behind my videos rather than just throwing crap out there and hoping and praying people like it and watch. So if you like what you're seeing, please keep following, click subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Please share it with your friends, help me grow this channel. And until next time, leave it better than you found it. Thanks for watching Jack the Jeep.